Hi, in front of me is Nokia 3.4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open menu and tap on clock. Then click on alarm at the top left corner and click at the plus icon. Now you can set up an hour and choose AM or PM by tapping on one of these options. When you're done, click OK, tap on repeat and select days of the week. After that, you can click on vibrate to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Label your alarm however you want to, and when you're done, save it by clicking OK. Then choose this bell icon over here and tap dismiss. You can choose one of these melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one. But you can also add your own song by clicking on add new and selecting song from your device. But I don't have any, so I will just go back and tap on this icon over here. As you can see, my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you want to delete your alarm, click at this icon over here, choose the bin icon, and as you can see, my alarm was deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!